भाभी क्या बोलेगी? क्या बोलेगी भी नहीं, क्या भी बोले नहीं, चुप के।
इतना भरोसा है सो अश्वक।
ये कहाँ है? ये नहीं दिया
ओ
डुप्लीकेशन।
Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Sahar. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am good too. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And today is 1st of Jan, so happy New Year to everyone. Pretty much had a very chill day. We brought in the New Year pretty chill, and it was just Sami, me, and my husband Akbar was there for some time. Then he had to go to the hospital. He had a delivery, so yeah. Then it was just the three of us. We watched a Christmas movie just to bring in. It was so random, but it was a fun movie. And pretty much today I didn't do anything. I just chilled and I just did not do much. Just had my food right now at 6:30. I know I shouldn't have because we're going for dinner at 8:30 with the families. So Sami is coming along with his family. His sister's also here in Mysore, so the kids and all of that. And then my in-laws are coming, and then my parents are coming. So it's going to be like a very big family sort of a dinner, and we just about to go, but it's 7 o'clock right now, and I have to take a shower. I have to get dressed, and I've not even decided what I'm supposed to wear. I want to wear obviously something modest, but I'm not sure what I should be wearing. So yeah, we have to figure that out, and we've just got about 1 hour, 1.5 hour, that's it. So let me just go get dressed and then see what we will do. Oh, by the way, we are going to Fresh Catch because in Mysore there aren't a lot of hotels, and our families are a little conservative in terms of where they eat non-veg because they believe most of them are not halal, although they are halal. So yeah, so we're going to this place called as Fresh Catch. It is in KD Road, and we were thinking of earlier going to Silent Shores, but then again the same problem. And then there is alcohol also served, so they will be not comfortable with that situation, and same goes to so many other places. So we decided to drop that off and go somewhere where I know they will be comfortable. It's not the most fanciest of places, but the food is good, and they do accommodate for a big crowd because we've held get-togethers over there. So that's why we've called them earlier and told them to arrange table for 18 people. So I think 18 to 20 people of us will be there. So yeah, we've told them to arrange that, so that way they are also prepared for it. So yeah, that's the whole thing right now, and I'm still indecisive about what to wear. I do want to wear some Indian clothes, but I don't have a lot of them, and I don't know what I will do. Let's see, let's hope for the best. Let's see what I can figure out. And yes, that is all there is. And I'll catch up with you guys once I am getting dressed. I think that would be the best option right now. Okay, I'm back having a bath. I procrastinated like really badly. I dozed off because I was feeling tired all of a sudden because I was thinking something. No, I have to get ready. अभी अगर मैं time दिखाऊँ ना, can you see? It's 7:50 and I have to leave here by 8 o'clock, and I am still not dressed. I've just worn this white outfit. मैंने एक बार ईद पे पहना था, and I totally forgot about it until now. And then I was like, yay, one dress that I haven't worn much. I can wear it. So that's what I'm doing. Also, I'm breaking out for some reason. All right, voiceovers ahead taking over because I realized that if I start talking, I'll just take up the entire time and the video will be extremely long. So here I am using Pilgrim का अंडर आई सीरम. अभी विंटर्स में मेरे अंडर आइज बहुत बहुत ड्राई फील कर रहे हैं, बहुत स्किनी ड्राई फील कर रही है. एंड देन मैं एल्फ का पोलस पटी प्राइमर यूज़ कर रही हूँ. द ट्रिक for textured skin is to do it in the opposite direction, then it fills up the pits of your skin. And then I'm going in with elf ka halo Glow filter. I know I'm using a lot of elf products, but trust me, they are so good, and they are such beautiful dupes of some of the high end products. I absolutely love them. I at least have 3 to 4 products in my daily routine. Like, I don't apply makeup daily, but like if I have to go for a meeting, or if I have a little bit of function like this, or a get together like this, then I do use this. And also, even if I'm going for a wedding, I pretty much use this, but change or tweak a little bit here and there, that's all. But then most of these are my staple, and the makeup look that I am going in for today is pretty much my updated version of makeup routine that I'm doing for this particular winter season. And यहाँ पे मैंने again elf का camo concealer use करा है. This concealer I've taken it a little bit darker, considering that my under eyes and pigmentation is a little bit darker. So this has a little bit of orange undertone in it. This pretty much conceals without me having to, do 3 layers of concealing, correcting, and highlighting concealer and all of that. So it saves up a lot of time. Now this is pretty dark for me, and that's why I taken about half a pump of any foundation, and the current foundation of choice for this winter is L'Oreal ka the OG foundation. I just take a little quantity and just blend it in with the sponge. आप देखे होगे कि मैं concealer जब blend कर रही थी, I was not doing the most perfect job, because I would have gone in with the beauty blender and blended it any which ways. So then everything would have settled properly. The streaks on the face with the brush and everything will go off with this beauty blender, and it will give a very beautiful natural finish with the blender as well. Then I'm going in with 1 round of setting spray, because it's humid over here, and I know the makeup will melt off, and I want the makeup to last a long time. And now the current favorite for this particular winter season is Simply Nam's Velvet Blush. I mean, I have fallen in love with this particular blush. It's so long lasting. It's creamy, but it settles down almost like a mousse finish, and I really love that. And it looks so nice and natural on my face. If I don't go in with the powder blush, and I'm using it for some errands or anything, this tastes so beautiful as well. Then I'm going with K Beauty ka powder, setting powder. This is my absolute favorite. And I Magic की मैं यहाँ पे powder blush ले रही हूँ. I typically don't use powder blush on an everyday basis, unless and until I'm going for a function or a get together or a gathering of sorts. But यहाँ पे आज मैं the darkest shade use कर रही हूँ, considering it's winters and it will look very nice. This particular shade looks so beautiful during the winter season. Okay, here's what I have changed this particular winter season. I'm doing more of these monochromatic looks. अगर मैं शादी पे नहीं जा रही हूँ या फिर कोई बड़े फंक्शन में नहीं जा रही हूँ, this is so nice to do, because you don't want to do a lot on your eyes, but you want a little bit of pop of color. So I go in with the same blush color, and it looks really flattering, and this burgundy tone blush looks so good. And then मैं यहाँ पे Blue Heaven का जो मस्कारा वाला ब्राउ जेल नहीं होता है, वो वाला यूज़ कर रही हूँ, एंड आई एम लविंग इट, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसे छोटे मोटे चीज़ों के लिए आई डोंट लाइक टू गो इन फॉर अ फुली डन आईब्रोज. आई लाइक इट to be as natural as possible, but yet the eyebrows should look as if they are done. Then I'm going in with the Maybelline Sky High mascara. I have fallen in love with it. Thank God I'm not missing my Essence mascara. Viral for all the right reasons. And then यहाँ पे मैं Wet n Wild का chestnut lip pencil use कर रही हूँ, and then from the same palette I'm using the same burgundy shade, because already थोड़ा बहुत lip balm मेरे lips पे था ही, and then I went in with the blush. So this is how I do the monochromatic look, and it's so beautiful, this burgundy color during this winter season. I love it. Then मैं perfume spritz कर ली थी. Then I was feeling कि और थोड़ा सा gloss चाहिए मुझे. The lip balm was not cutting it. So I used this Insight lip gloss. It's just 90 rupees and so good to have in your vanity all the time. And यहाँ पे concealer brush से मैं edges को clean out कर रही हूँ. Then I'm done with my makeup, but I will one last time spritz mascara setting spray. And this is how my makeup look has turned out. It's so perfect for an evening look. I love it. फिर sad news is that we didn't go to Fresh Catch because they didn't reserve a place because it was New Year's. They were acting like assholes and they were like very rude. So we instead went to this place Kritunga, which was a walking distance. The kids loved it. The food was pathetic. I absolutely hated the place. But I will end the vlog over here and I will see you guys in the next one. You guys take care, stay safe.